I contacted Guardian Roofing last December because, thanks to the recent storms we had, I found leaks throughout my house. And so Andrew came over to take a look, and he got to work immediately, taping up some of the more obvious leaks, putting a tarp over it until the contract could be signed so we could get somebody out to completely remove the old roof and put a new one on, which I wasn't planning to do for a few years, but thanks to the storms, it pushed my schedule up a bit. And the guys arrived on time. They did a really good job. They cleaned up as they were going and afterwards, and you couldn't even tell they'd been after they'd finished, except for the brand new roof. That looks great. So I highly recommend Guardian to any of my friends and family.